Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, so let's just discuss your answers. Read the sentence first and then tell me your answer.
The first one. Please give me your pen. I dashed mine at home. I wrote I had forgotten mine at home.
Why have you written I had forgotten?
Because it was at the past. So
See, this is
have
an action that has already been completed. One person is asking for a pen from the other one, and he's telling that I forgot mine. I told you the answer mistakenly. Okay, so just to know that this is a simple past
no
sentence.
wait. Sorry, ma'am. Um, so the answer is not I have forgotten mine, or is it forgot only itself?
That only I'm explaining. It's a simple past sentence. Why? Because it has already been completed. So you will write, I forgot mine. Okay? It will not be I had forgotten or have forgotten. It will be simple past, I forgot. Clear?
Yeah.
Please read the next one.
The hungry child dashed for 10 minutes. The hungry child was crying for 10 minutes.
Okay, why have you used was here?
Uh, for that,
Say loudly.
I mostly did it because it sounded correctly, or I think I got a bit confused.
No, no. Don't answer the questions if you think they are sounding correct. Okay?
I wrote two answers actually. The
What is the second answer?
second one, I wrote cried as CRIED.
See, no. If you read it properly, you'll understand that there are two actions taking place in the same sentence. First of all, the child is hungry, and secondly, he is crying, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
one action continued for a period of time. The child was hungry, that is why he is crying. So we will use past perfect continuous form because one action continued for a period of time. It has not
Yes.
completed. So instead of cried, you will write had been crying. Is that clear?
Oh,
The hungry child had been crying for 10 minutes. Clear?
okay.
Leanne, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please read the third one.
Uh, he dashed along the
Just tell me
along
the
the
answer
road.
directly. You don't have to read it first, dash, then answer. Just read it with the answer that is.
Ma'am, I wrote he walked along the road when he suddenly met an old man.
No, no. Met is correct. When suddenly he met an old man, simple past. That is right.
He was
But
walking,
it will not be walked. Why? Again, it was an ongoing action.
so he was
One action is
walking.
taking place before the other one interrupted.
Huh.
Right?
Yeah,
The man was walking along the road when suddenly he met an old man. So it will be was walking. Are you getting?
okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, next.
Uh, I
Just
praised him for
excuse
doing.
me for 1 minute. Yes, Leanne. Please continue. The fourth sentence.
I praised him for what he had done for the poor.
Very good. It will be had done. Next.
Okay. Uh, when I was at school, I took part in cultural activities.
I took part in cultural activities. Correct. Next.
Uh, Sixth one, ma'am, I got a bit confused, but I wrote, "You cannot go out till you complete your homework." I didn't understand it. Like,
You have written two answers. Till you complete or you completed.
yes,
Okay. Why have you written complete? It's already given complete only.
but ma'am, I got a bit confused, like between the answers, so I was not sure which one to exactly write down.
Okay.
I wrote
See, so
completed
there
or
are some sentences where some conditions are applied. So here we are talking about a future condition that you cannot go out, which will happen in the future, until you complete your homework right now. If you do your homework in the current time, which means in the present time, then only you will be allowed to go out in the future time, right?
yes.
So we will consider complete only as our answer because it's the present tense that we have to consider. So complete will be correct, okay?
Okay.
Please read the next
So
one.
okay. For the seventh one, I wrote, he did not stop. He did not stop there and ran away.
Correct. He did not. Okay, next.
When I reached the house, I found out that thieves had into it.
I found out that thieves had broken into it. First of all, both the answer broken into and found is correct, but why are you adding one extra word? Found out. You just have to change the tense here. So find will become simple past, that is found. You don't have to add any extra word. Had broken, sorry. Okay,
Yeah.
next.
My mother, my mother was cooking food when she heard a noise.
Correct. My mother was cooking when she heard a noise. Simple past here. Correct. Next.
There is going to be a bus strike. Everyone will be looking for rickshaws and rickshaws next week.
Everyone will be. No.
Will be looking.
Will means you are talking about future. But if you read the sentence, it's a present situation that we are discussing. A current ongoing action is taking place, which is related to the future.
Oh,
There is going to be a bus strike. That is why everyone is looking for auto rickshaws and rickshaws next week. No, no, actually, sorry. I just missed this word next week. then your answer will be correct. Everyone will be looking. Okay? I
Okay.
just missed this word out. Next.
He is he is a very rude person. I will not help him.
He is a very rude person. I will not help him. Yeah, correct.
Ma'am, is it also okay we use did not? I did not help him.
Yeah, I was just going to say that you can also use did not because it's a general situation that
Yeah.
a present simple tense, simple present tense, where a person is talking about the other one, his rude behavior, and he's telling that I will not help him or I did not help him. So it may be did not refers to the past and will not refers to the future.
Future.
So both will be correct.
When you reach there, he will be reading a book.
When you reach there, you will be reading a book. So which tense is this?
Future continuous.
Yes, because the action would still be taking place. It has not completed.
Yes.
Okay. So most of your answers were was correct. Good. Now I'll give you another exercise. One second. Yes. Rewrite the following sentences by making the changes as directed in the bracket. So now they have given you the tense that you have to use in order to change the sentence. So you have to change the sentence in that tense which is given in the bracket. Clear?
Yeah, finish.
Okay, please read the sentence and then tell me your answer.
I will meet the principal today, simple past.
Please
I
say
wrote,
loudly. I can't hear your voice.
uh, I will I will meet the principal today, simple past. What I wrote is I met the principal today.
Correct. Will meet is the future. So to convert it into simple past, we'll simply write met. Next.
For the second one, it begins to rain, present perfect. It has begun to rain.
It has.
Begun.
Very good. Present perfect means third form of verb with has and have.
Has.
Right? So
Yeah.
it has begun
Yeah.
to rain. Next.
Boys are making a loud noise. Past continuous. Boys were making a loud noise.
Past continuous. Boys were making a loud noise. Correct.
Uh,
Next.
Girls are sitting in the room. Past continuous. The girls were sitting in the room.
Yeah, it's similar to the third one only. You change are with were.
Uh, he writes a letter. Present continuous. He is writing a letter.
Correct. For present continuous, we add is, am, are plus ing. So he is writing. Okay.
Yeah.
Next.
Ma'am, for the last one, I got a bit confused. But what I wrote is, uh, wait, just read out the question. We go to bed very early. What I wrote is that we went to bed very early. Went
That's
to
correct. You have to convert it into simple past.
oh,
So no has have will be used. Go, went. That's it. Okay.
okay.
All right. Now there's one more worksheet. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the brackets. Yeah, there are 10 questions. Yes, Leaan completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read the first question.
The police dash 4 thieves last night. The police caught 4 thieves last night.
Correct. It will be caught. Okay, next. I was dash food when he came in.
I was cooking food when he came in.
Correct. It dash since 9 o'clock.
It has been raining since 9 o'clock.
Raining. Has been or had been? Has
Has.
have been plus ing. Okay. I certainly dash my colleague if I had been there.
Ma'am, about this one, I wrote,
Please
I
say a little
certain,
loudly.
sorry. Ma'am, about this one, I wrote, I certainly would have helped my
Why
colleague
have
if
you
I,
used would have? Yes.
ma'am, because it's about the past, right? Or, like,
Okay, it's a past situation where you will use the third form of verb. So that's why it will be I would have helped my colleague if I had been there. Okay, so yeah, it's correct. Next, stars dash in the sky at night.
sorry. Uh, Ma'am, for this one, I got confused. I wrote stars twinkle in the sky at night.
It is a general statement. Okay, so we'll
Yeah,
consider it to be simple past only. So it will remain twinkle only. Okay,
okay.
you don't have to change the tense here. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
Please read the remaining sentences and just read your answer all together. Don't
Okay,
read it first, dash, then answer.
okay. All the students were doing the classwork when the teacher came in.
Very good. It would be were doing. Okay, next.
Uh, Mahesh is coming tomorrow from Patna.
Is coming tomorrow. Is coming. Okay, next.
The patient had died before the doctor came.
The patient had died.
Had, yeah.
Correct. Next.
Ma'am, one question. The eighth one is past perfect continuous, right? Or
No, no, no. It's simple
uh,
past perfect.
only simple past perfect?
It's not continuous. Okay.
Okay. Uh, I saw that the policemen were chasing the thieves.
Word changing. Correct.
Uh, he is a very rude person. I will not help him, or did not.
Say again, please.
He is a very rude person. I will not help him, or I did not help him.
No, no. It will be will not only. I will not help him. Because this for this sentence, the person is giving a statement about the future based
Yeah.
on the judgment of present. He is judging the person in the present. And on the basis of that judgment, he will take an action in the future. He's very rude. That is why I will not help him. So that will
Okay.
be for the future, not the past. Okay? Did not will come if the sentence would have been he was a very rude person, so I did not help him. Okay?
Okay.
Got it?